Today we're going to be talking about the 2018 Sea Pro 208 with a hardtop. As you can see, white hull boat with the royal blue bottom. Color matched underside on the hardtop. Boat is powered with a Mercury 150 4-stroke, which is optimal for this boat. Start at the transom, flip up seating, live well on both sides, flip up bolsters at the helm. This particular boat has been optioned with some really unique features. The 12-inch Simrad, and also an iPilot self-deploying Ulterra trolling motor. This is a 24-volt system, 80-pound thrust. Forward, you have your fish box here, showing you rod storage on the starboard side, which you do have on the port side as well. Batteries down below for your trolling motor, as it's a 24-volt system. This is your 2018 208 Sea Pro with a hardtop T-top. Come down and see us at MarineMax Pensacola.